of a shame we don't get to hear that. All right. All right, let me just quickly say this is break 695. 695, everybody, 695. I don't need it. Listen, all I want you to know that eBay requires me to tell you that there is no purchase. Why are you laughing? No purchase or payment necessary to enter the sweepstakes. Please check out our listing for the rules and regulations link. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Alan Ginter, 3 boxes, 695. Who wants some baseball? Whether you like it or not, we're getting some baseball. I think this is the end of our Ginter run. It's been real. Alan Ginter, congratulations. We have Goldschmidt, box loader, Mr. Paul Goldschmidt. Congratulations to the Cardinals. Feel like we're gonna pull a dinosaur bone.
That's what we're doing today?
A dinosaur bone. They're in here. Yeah. There's an actual dinosaur fossil on these things. I shouldn't have told you that, because if I would have pulled it, you would have been like, holy shit, how could you possibly know it? You'd been like, holy Santa Claus shit. By the way, this is stream 2, already ruined and soiled by shit. So
we gotta like put you on a.
yeah, I need like detox of some sort. Even when you like a swear jar. It's one way to get some of the money back. Like we'd be flush within a week. How's everybody doing? How are my Waxzonians? Call out your teams. Call out your players. Come on, everybody. Let's have some fun. Hold hands and let's sing something together. It's Saturday night. Breaks with Wax Zone. Please like, follow, subscribe. Gotta have some fun. This is break 695. Look alive, as he says. Look alive. First break was great. This one was gonna be even better. I feel it. I feel we're gonna kill it tonight. Tonight's gonna be one of those nights. We get an extra hour back of not sleeping. I'm up to 3 in the morning, pacing around, looking for stuff in the pantry. Terrible. It's a terrible thing. I don't wish it on anyone. Well, there's a few people I wish it on, but for the most part,
You actually do that?
oh, yeah. Always stay on my good side. No cap. Grissom, Colas. Right off the bat, Jose Ramirez. Game used memorabilia. Jose Ramirez for the Cleveland Guardians. A little mini relic. Congrats. And we have a J-Rod. Hey, isn't J-Rod in chat? J-Rod, I got your mini black Alan Ginter here. Small. Rendon. Violin. Harris the second. A silver portrait of Dent. Bucky Dent. When was the last time you saw Bucky Dent? I haven't. Ooh, what is this? The Aachen, Germany's cathedral. Come on, I feel something huge. Buxton, silver. A Garvey mini. Alvarez. All card ship. Fujinami rookie mini. Henry. Hendry. Chapman. Can't wait. I'm so happy I'm not going to see you for another year. Waters.
What?
Bello.
Alan Ginter?
Yeah.
You don't mind me picking you up?
Oh, for this year? I mean, I guess we could. Meneses. People still like it. Blade. People still like it. Greinke. You can. I mean, I don't mind breaking it. Just those minis always creep up on me. Jameson. And we have an Andres Jimenez relic card. Game used memorabilia for none other than another Cleveland Guardians. A few more of these, you can make your own bet. Hey, we got dessert brownies. Got all the brownies. Marimba. Who's in this break? Say hello. What you got? Tell me what I'm looking for. Abrera. A Ermsey Mini. Wambanyama Auto. No. Morel. Howard Mini. Nito. A Aaron Judge Mini black border. Never mind. Thought I was a rookie. A mini of rookie Mr. Lee. Jet skiing. There's a Carroll rookie. What is this? This is a 4 home run game. The rarest of diamonds. Tony Gwynn. Mr. Knott, Mini Knott. We got Little Baby Little. Barang. Brown. And a Mookie Betts. Dodgers. Oh, I was hoping it was an auto. Game used memorabilia. That's 3 for 3 minis. Memorabilia. There's Apodaca. 3 minis. That?
Oh, I believe it.
He nodded. He doesn't understand. He's game. It's okay. Quan, we're on the radio here, bro. People can't see. El Criollo. He nodded. Willis. What you talking about, Willis? That show. It was one of my favorite shows growing up. You ever watch that? Oh, Hope.
2 episodes here and there. Back in the day.
Walker. Volpe, Mr. Drummond. Palmer Mini. Great show. Houston's Mini. Ricky Henderson Mini. Pina Colada. Jones. Meyer rookies. Cabrera Mini. Biberoo. Duran. A Hall Mini. And that was box 1. So we had 3. Here. We had 3 relics minis were the hits, which we'll get back to. There.
We will have Chrome updates in a couple weeks, just so you guys know.
For you baseball fans. Topper. Who's our topper? Congratulations, you have Juan Soto. Juan Soto, topper. Who's in chat? Say hello. Come on, let's say hello. What's your team? What's your player? What's your poison? Come on.
Did anything about Texas win?
Texas?
Yeah.
Well, one less team that never won a World Series, I guess. Well, you know, whatever. Nobody had them winning, that's for sure. The fact that Arizona went as far. What's up, Arthur? Reds and Nats, nice. Arthur Anderson. You from the family of the Anderson Consulting? The Arthur Anderson Consulting Company who helped. Wasn't it? What was the name of that company that went under? I can't think of the name. Sure, you get that a lot. Let's go, right? I'm gonna call you AA. Artie. He wants to be called Artie. I'm gonna do Artie. I like Artie. Enron, that's what it was. Enron. Nah, you don't. No, Artie, you don't owe me any money. I just remember the company, Arthur Anderson, like had like a big old situation during the.
That's funny.
I don't know. Actually, I don't know. Does Artie owe us any money on? Is he paid up on his teams? He had the Reds and the Nationals.
He's paid up.
Paid up. All right, you're good. You're good. Enron, that's right. Enron. That poor name is soiled forever. Arthur Anderson. I worked with a guy named Arthur Anderson. He was related to them. He was like a Arthur Anderson, like 5th or 6th. I mean, there's so many Arthur Andersons. It's a shame. There we go. Let's get some Nationals and Reds. So Cincinnati and Washington. Your Simeon National Park mini. Jameson. You say nice to yourself like that, you know we don't understand, right?
Oh.
Lefko mini.
Someone shared their 3-pack of Revo.
Get out. Yeah. What'd they get?
DeAndre. Sunburst DeAndre.
Sunburst DeAndre? Nice. Appreciate that. It's very nice of you guys. Morno. I like when you share. How about a Mullins for Baltimore Relic game used memorabilia? Cedric Mullins, mini of Willie Mays. Hey, Willie Mays. Mitchell rookie. A black mini of Nadal. That's a tennis player. Nito. Borman. A mini of Albius. Alvarez. Reagan's Thompson. Name cupcake minis. Mini cupcakes. Mini cupcakes. Henry. Oh, oh shit. That's a first.
What?
Numbered.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen one of those yet.
It's like they wrote. It's like just randomly numbered like that.
Yeah, just random. There's not even a.
Yeah.
Not even anything different about it.
Looks weird.
There you go, San Diego. You've got a Bogarts, Xander Bogarts, 12 to 25. 12 to 25.
Yeah. It's crazy though that
Hand numbered. Those are rare. You could easily miss that, by the way. Luckily, my nickname is Hawkeye, so don't you worry, guys.
Who calls you that?
Huh?
Who calls you
I
that?
just did Waters, Bello, Stores, a mini of Levi's, Brown. Nobody else in this room but us, bro. Freed, mini. Bradley. A mini of Bruhan. Senga. A blue. I love the blue. Game used memorabilia. Mr. Eric Hosmer.
I love the blue.
Love the blue. Not by the player. Oh, you don't think so? The other spot, Arthur.
Spot gets Wemby.
So at the very end of the break, there's an other spot. So that's who gets like Allen Street and the Vulture and Wemby.
Get all the other cards.
All the others. Rhoda. Pasquantino. A mini of Gorman. They get a pina colada too. There's a pina colada. Oh, baby. A black mini of Murphy. Really hard to snap out of some of my once I get going. Sosa. What are my voices?
Your voice. Many.
Yeah.
Is it voices
Alan?
or personalities? Which one is?
Is there a difference? Is there a difference? Here we go. Final Stacola for this box. Moreno. Just want to give people the respect. The Royal Salt Mines of Poland.
Oh.
Fantastic.
You've been there.
I've been there more than once.
More than once?
Yeah. Terang, Liberatore.
Is it like something you have to see more than once?
No, but I went. I went. As I went when I was in grade school. I went when I went back. This is cool. Marte.
Is that an inaction?
Yeah. Groshans. Oh, I gave it to you. Perazza. A Rollins. It was one hell of a field trip. Batty. Yeah. Going to the salt mines. Assad. Vientos. And we have another mini of Johnson. Game used memorabilia. That is Randy Johnson for the San Francisco Giants. Mini of Robinson. Nelson Hall. Here's Chicago. Toglia, Peguero, Ortiz. A mini of Vargas, rookie. Henderson, Ruiz. A green. Ermsey Silver Portrait. Cease. And a Marimba. All right, final box. You know what we can do? We have 13 people. It's time for a Chatters giveaway. Everybody write tops. Should have made you write Kung Fu Fighting. But everybody write tops in chat. And then you get to pick a pack. Any pack you like out of this Tops Series 1. Let's go, tops. Everybody tops. J-Red's on the board. Artie's on the board. Chatters giveaway free pack. Yoshida. Top. Come on, who else wants in? Type in tops. If you're in the break, type in tops. Get to pick a free pack. Maybe a slight delay, so I'm just going to give it a few more seconds. We don't want to hold up the whole break. If you're interested in a free pack of tops, going once. Going once. Going twice. There's Todd. Going twice and run it. Todd coming in from behind. Todd, are you in the break, first of all? And second of all, which one would you like? Which quadrant and how far in? What? Just pick a top left, bottom right, 3 in, 4 in. Todd was the last one to type it, so he may be a few seconds behind. Yeah. You got somewhere to be? You need to catch up on those minis. That's what you need to.
You pick it.
Of course. Of course. Well, you know what? I'm going to keep it. I'm going to go bottom left right here. Hopefully you get something cool. Let us know if you get anything. Todd M. All right, Todd M. Todd M. There is an auto in this box, so. All right. Got a bad delay. That's all right, man. You got it. You got it. You got it. You want it. Isn't that 50 cents on there? All right, final box for Alan Ginter. I'm guessing Aaron Judge. And I'm right. I don't want to judge, but I'm pretty right. All right, here we go. Hot box coming up. Feel it. Burning my fingers. Good luck, everyone. This is break 2 of 8 tonight. 2 of 8, guys and gals. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. We got more Flux. We got some WNBA. We've got some soccer. We got more soccer. And more soccer and WNBA and just got a lot of stuff. Please like, follow, subscribe. Look at Brian. Brian subscribing. Thank you very much, Brian. Oh, yeah, let's get a tear and rip card. That would be cool. Although, as much as I'd love to rip it, Todd, I'm not allowed to. The contract does not allow me. Like a non-disclosure, rip it.
Part of the rip party.
No rip party here. Grip it and rip it, as they say. That's what my wife says. Grip it and rip it, bro. Yeah.
Sounds violent, but
Only violent if you think it's violent. Gotta have safe words. Caterpillar was fast. Caterpillar. Put a ball in your mouth and say caterpillar. See how easy it is.
Put a what?
A ball in your mouth and say caterpillar. Not so easy. Oh, see, it doesn't work. Yeah, a gag ball.
Jesus Christ.
Bring Jesus into this. What's wrong with you?
Not even 10 o'clock, man.
It's 10 o'clock somewhere. New York, maybe? Okay.
Just New York.
Hey, they're going to get an hour back. Seriously, try to say that word. Not easy. I don't have a ball, but I'll find something.
No.
No. No. He said no.
I'll pass.
Oh, pass.
Yeah, I'll pass.
You're no fun. Wow. This pack had 3 cards in it. 3 cards, for real.
That's it?
That's it. I'm just kind of curious what it is, though. Nothing.
Oh, shit.
3 cards, though. Okay. That was weird. I felt that it was skinny. We lost like 5 viewers as soon as we started getting weird. You start whispering back to yourself. You're not helping the cause here. Vientos. A mini of Blackman. Paul. Oh, yeah, because we have so many young children. Morel, Cabrera.
You'll be surprised.
Surprise, surprise. Gonsolin. I don't think so. Toglia, Paguero. I bet you the average age group of our people is in the 27 to 30 range.
Higher, actually.
Oh, I guess it ain't the kids then. You just contradicted yourself. Waters. Higher. Henry, Alvarez. You're probably right, it is higher. Gotta be sophisticated. Old Havana, Cuba. Here's this. I mean, I don't get it, but this is Stanton's game use memorabilia for the New York Yankees. It's gonna have its own private pack. Lang's mini. Simba. Casas. I don't know what the deal with that was. Yeah, so these are the over the 300. You could tell that they're.
I got you. Yeah, I've been
DC.
I go back and I sleeve them real quick. There's not that many.
Yeah, I know. I could tell. Lee. I could probably pull them out, but
it's all good.
Why would I do that? Barrio Silver portrait. Meyer. Ukulele. Bradley. A mini of Larkin. Mini Larkin. Thank you guys again for joining us. Please like, follow, subscribe. Don't give up on us yet. It only gets better.
We got 6 likes on the stream. Thank you, everyone.
Hell yeah. Love it. Love it. Hey. Walker. Nemo. Chambers. Barrio. Colas. Kevin Hart Mini. Goes without saying. Old joke. Never gets old. There's another Vlad. How about a Clark Mini? Clark Bar. Salsa. Ooh, we have an auto of O'Connor. Who is O'Connor? President of Business Operations, Caroline O'Connor. Ops? Oh.
That's who you got to write to about that allocation.
Yeah. Hey, Carol. There you go. Carol. Rod Carew. Yeah, can we get a Moreno? Can we get an allocation, Carol? I've already seen your autograph. Rutschman. Minnie Smith. Black. Liberatore. Mini of small. Small mini. Beef noodle soup. It's just so weird.
Just
Bad.
random.
Groshans, yeah. Meneses. Blade. Minnie Wakefield. They just died. Tim? Yeah, they just died. Tim Wakefield? I think that's the guy just died. Senga. Mitchell. Good ass wipe auto. There you go. Matt Manning. What do we got here? A white memorabilia swatch for the Detroit Tigers. He gone. Artie's brutal. Matt Manning. He gone.
Artie's got that.
Bregman.
He's got that dark humor. I love it.
You gotta.
I gotta love it.
When you orchestrate the downfall of Enron, you better be fun. It better be funny. Perazza. Nito. Coughlin. Downs. Nacho Jenny. Mini of this must be Georgie. Hey Georgie. George Brett.
That's how we took it though.
But it was perfect. Rutschman. Hey y'all. Stan Musial Black Mini.
That just tells you what happens when people send anything in writing. Like, is that how you meant it?
Hey, check this out. Player worn wood. Matt Olson for the Atlanta Braves. Player worn, baby. Where did he have this, huh? You gotta ask yourself. I'll let you figure it out. Chavez Mini. Statue of Liberty.
Maybe we'll grab more.
Brown.
He said worn wood?
Yeah, it's worn wood. That's what it says. It says player worn wood. Sponsored by. Not gonna. Herrera.
He said I'm not gonna.
I wanted to. Bradley. Oh, there you go. A Carroll rookie. That's the variation out of 368. That's good. Anderson, Timmy.
I'll grab more for next week. Just for next week.
Senga, of course. That's what you've been saying for 3 weeks now.
Well, until we get
Hendry.
until we get
Yeah.
Chrome update.
Okay, I don't care. I like it as a baseball. All right, here we go. Check out we got a lot of wood, guys. Tons of wood. Jimenez, Cleveland. Ramirez, Cleveland. Mookie Betts for Dodgers. Mullins for Baltimore. Hosmer for Chicago Cubs. Johnson for San Francisco. Stanton for the Yankees. Manning for Detroit. Again, player worn wood. Matt Olson. We had one auto. And of course, suspiciously, it's the president of business operations of Topps. Suspiciously, it's the only auto. And we did have a mini that was numbered, but he took it away.
Did I?
That's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's 12 out of 25 of somebody. All right. We'll be back in a flash with break 696.
Thanks, everyone.